Nice.
You're kidding me, dude.
What?
Dude, the black cowboy hat.
Let me see.
Come on, let me put it on.
Try it.
So keep it on. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Keep it on.
It'd be sick if you could have a handkerchief thing as around your face instead of a respirator.
Like a bandit. Right, come on, let's
I
go.
want to try this on a zombie, man. The
Zombies.
reload animation is the best because you don't see the actual mag go in. They haven't actually...
No, they probably haven't done it yet.
No, they haven't.
We got a zombie.
Yeah, you
I
better...
can't stop eating.
Fuck. Pea shooter! Let me see how many it takes you to take it down. Hey!
2 headshots. Oh no, she's not dead. She's not dead. She's
What? Knocked out?
not dead. I think it's
Hey, dead.
it's an airsoft
I got
rifle.
4 bullets left, man. Yeah, like an airsoft one. Alright, important stuff first.
It's even starting to annoy me.
Don't really care about a sewing kit. I can go out the window. Gas canister. Maybe. Speed
Yeah, we
loader.
need that. If you want, I'll take that off with the gas canister.
Alright, take out the backpack.
Yeah,
I'm putting have I got space up there?
Zombie.
Just kidding.
Behind you.
Watch this. Move! Oh, one shot down! Patient to the rescue! What are you saying? I just want to say before the video ends, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you're listening to me right now, then I know you've watched it to the very end. If you want to hit like and subscribe, please feel free to. I'm not going to force you to, but it'd really help me out for my first video on the channel. So please do that. And this video was just a quick taster of what I have in stock for this channel. A lot of DayZ series, because I'm really loving DayZ at the moment, especially in its experimental stage. So you can please support me by commenting on what you think of the video. And that's about it. Expect to see a lot more from me. Peace.